Hello everyone, today let's know about the 20 insects named just like ant, butterfly and honeybee. First, ant. An ant is a small and hard-working insect. It lives in groups called colonies. Ants are very strong for their size. They collect food and work together. Next, butterfly. A butterfly is a colorful flying insect. It has large wings with beautiful patterns. Butterflies drink nectar from flowers. They help in pollination. Next, honeybee. A honeybee is a useful insect. It makes honey from flower nectar. Bees live together in a hive. They help plants grow by pollination. Next, mosquito. A mosquito is a small flying insect. It feeds on blood and plant juices. Mosquitoes can spread disease. They mostly bite at night. Next, housefly. A housefly is a common insect. It lives near houses and garbage. Flies spread germs and diseases. They have two wings and big eyes. Next, cockroach. A cockroach is a crawling insect. It lives in dark and dirty places. Cockroaches can survive without food for days. They spread bacteria and germs. Next, grasshopper. A grasshopper is a jumping insect. It has long hind legs for jumping. Grasshoppers eat grass and plants. They make sounds by rubbing their legs. Next, dragonfly. A dragonfly is a fast-flying insect. It has long transparent wings. Dragonflies eat mosquitoes and small insects. They live near water bodies. Next, ladybug. A ladybug is a small round insect. It is usually red with black spots. Ladybugs eat harmful pests. They are friendly to plants. Next, beetle. A beetle is a hard-shelled insect. It has strong wings and a tough body. Beetles live on land and plants. There are many types of beetles. Next, termite. A termite is a small white insect. It lives in large colonies. Termites eat wood and paper. They can damage houses. Next, wasp. A wasp is a flying insect. It has a narrow body and wings. Wasps can sting when angry. They help control pests. Next, moth. A moth is similar to a butterfly. It usually comes out at night. Moths are attracted to light. They have soft and dusty wings. Next, firefly. A firefly is a glowing insect. It produces light at night. Fireflies use light to communicate. They are also called lightning bugs. Next, centipede. A centipede has many legs. It is a fast-moving insect. Centipedes live in moist places. They eat small insects. Next, millipede. A millipede has many tiny legs. It moves slowly on the ground. Millipedes eat deep plants. They help keep soil healthy. Next, flea. A flea is a very small insect. It can jump very high. Fleas live on animals and humans. They suck blood. Next, louse. A louse is a tiny parasite insect. It lives in human hair or clothes. Lice feed on blood. They cause itching. Next, praying mantis. A praying mantis is a large insect. It has long front legs for catching prey. Mantises eat other insects. They look like they are praying. Next, stick insect. A stick insect looks like a twig. It uses camouflage to hide. Stick insects eat leaves. They protect themselves by blending in.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share.